Isaiah chapter 11 opens with one of the most powerful messianic prophecies in all of Scripture. There shall come forth a rod from the stem of Jesse, and a branch shall grow out of his roots. Isaiah is pointing to the Messiah, Jesus Christ, coming from the line of David, at a time when that royal line appeared cut down and lifeless. Then Isaiah describes the Spirit resting upon him. The Spirit of the Lord shall rest upon him, the Spirit of wisdom and understanding, the Spirit of counsel and might, the Spirit of knowledge and of the fear of the Lord. This tells us the Messiah would not rule by human wisdom, but by the fullness of God's Spirit. Isaiah continues, "He shall not judge by the sight of his eyes, nor decide by the hearing of his ears. But with righteousness he shall judge the poor." This describes a king who sees truth perfectly, not manipulated by appearances, politics, or deception. Then Isaiah shows the power of his word. He shall strike the earth with the rod of his mouth, and with the breath of his lips he shall slay the wicked. Judgment and authority flow from his word alone. Isaiah then gives a picture of restored creation. The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb, and the leopard shall lie down with the young goat. This is not symbolism of human effort. It is a picture of the peace that only the Messiah as King brings. Isaiah concludes with hope. The earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. Isaiah 11 reminds us that the Messiah doesn't just fix systems. He restores hearts, creation, and righteousness itself. This chapter points us to Jesus, the righteous King, whose kingdom will never end.